Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we're going to be doing part 2 of one-step multiplication equations. So, as I said, this is part 2, so if you want to learn this and you haven't seen part 1, go click off this video, watch part 1 and then come back to this video. So, a quick explanation, one-step equations are all about isolating the variable. So to isolate the variable, we're using the inverse or opposite operation of what is already happening to the equation. So, for example, let's say the variable is being multiplied, we are going to divide. So we're going to basically undo it by using the inverse operation. That's called, yes, using the inverse operation. So whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side to keep things balanced. So let's solve two of these examples step by step together. So for the first one, we have 7x equals 56. So as you guys already know, if you have watched part 1 of this video, you already know that if a number is right next to a variable, they are multiplying. So this basically means 7 times x equals 56. So we have to figure out what this x is to equal 56. So since the variable is multiplied, we are going to undo it by dividing, because division is the inverse or opposite of multiplication. So let's start by doing this. So we're going to do, instead of 7 times x, we're going to divide by 7 on both sides. So we're going to do it like this, dividing by 7 and divide by 7. So 7 divided by 7 will cancel each other out because we will just be left with 1x. But 1x is basically just x. So now we are just left with 56 divided by 7. So x equals 56 divided by 7, which equals 8. So this will be our final answer. So now I'm going to show you guys how to check if the answer is correct. To check if the answer is correct, you can rewrite this problem, but with the value of our variable plugged in. So you will get 7 and then the variable, which is 8 times 8 equals 56. And don't forget to put a times sign between them, because as I said, a number next to a variable will mean that you're multiplying, but a number next to a number doesn't mean anything. It just is another number. So don't forget to put the multiplication sign. And as you can see, this is the final answer because 7 times 8 will equal 56. So that was the first example. Now let's go to the second example, where we have 12y equals 96. So again, we are dealing with multiplication here because we have a number next to a variable. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 12 and always divide by the number that right next to the variable. So we're going to divide by 12 on both sides. And 12 divided by 12 will cancel each other out again because we are just left with 1y, and you can just write that as y. So now we have y equals 96 divided by 12. So 96 divided by 12 will equal 8. So this will be our final answer. And again, we can check this by rewriting our problem with the correct value plugged in. So we're going to do 12 and then times our variable, which is 8. So 12 times 8 equals 96. And this is correct because 12 times 8 does equal 96. So y equals 8 will be our final answer. So this was basically the video. So a quick wrap up for you guys. If it's multiplied, divide to isolate, and then one more step, and then you have it solved. So this was basically the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, Leave a question in the comments, and as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.